Good day, everyone. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your guide to a secure and comfortable life. We're here to help you navigate the intricacies of life's most crucial decisions. At HouseLux Estate, we believe that one of the most important steps you can take to ensure your family's future is choosing the right life insurance policy. Life insurance isn't just a piece of paper. It's a promise, a commitment to your loved ones that their future will remain secure, even in your absence. It's a safety net, a buffer against the unpredictable roller coaster that is life. And we understand that making such a significant decision can be daunting. But don't worry, you're not alone. Here at HouseLux Estate, we're dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. We'll break down the complexities, sift through the jargon, and help you make an informed decision. Today, we delve into the process of choosing the best life insurance policy for your family's needs. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to understand what life insurance is and why it's important. Life insurance in its simplest form is a contract between you and an insurance company. You agree to pay a certain amount of money, known as a premium, and in exchange, the insurance company agrees to pay a specified sum of money to your loved ones upon your passing. It's like a safety net that catches your family when you can't be there to do so. Life insurance is much more than just a safety net, though. It's a tool for financial planning, a way to ensure that your family's financial future is secure, even when you're no longer around to contribute to it. It can cover the costs of funeral expenses, pay off outstanding debts, and even provide a source of income for your family. Imagine this: you're a parent, a spouse, a guardian. You're the primary breadwinner in your family. Your income pays for the roof over your family's heads, the food on their table, the education for your children. Now imagine if that income were to suddenly disappear. How would your family cope? That's where life insurance comes in. It's about providing peace of mind, knowing that even if the worst were to happen, your family wouldn't have to worry about their financial security. It's about ensuring that your children can still go to college, that your spouse can still pay the mortgage, that your family can maintain the lifestyle they've grown accustomed to. But it's not just about the money. It's about leaving a legacy, a testament to your love and commitment to your family even after you're gone. It's a final gift, a way to say, I've got your back, even from the other side. Life insurance isn't a luxury. It's not something that's nice to have. It's something that's necessary to have. It's an essential part of financial planning, a crucial step in securing your family's future. Now that we know what life insurance is, let's explore how to choose the right policy. The first step in choosing a life insurance policy is assessing your family's needs. To make sure you're choosing the best life insurance policy for your family, you need to have a clear understanding of your family's financial needs. This will be the foundation of your insurance decision-making process. Firstly, consider your family's current income. How much does your household bring in every month? This includes your salary, your spouse's salary, and any other sources of income. Remember to deduct taxes to get a real sense of your take-home pay. Next, tally up your monthly expenses. This includes mortgage or rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and any other bills. Don't forget to factor in occasional expenses such as vacation costs, home repairs, or medical expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to look at your debts. This can include your mortgage, car loans, student loans, credit card debts, and any other outstanding loans. Now consider the future. If you have children, think about their education costs. College tuition can be a significant expense, and it's one that many people want their life insurance policy to cover. Also, think about how your family would cope financially if you were no longer around. Would your spouse be able to cover all the expenses on their own? Would they have to make significant lifestyle changes? These are important factors to consider when determining how much life insurance you need. Lastly, consider your family's long-term financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? Do you plan to pay off your house early? Are you hoping to leave a legacy for your children or grandchildren? These goals should also be factored into your life insurance decision. By considering all these factors, income, expenses, debts, future costs, and financial goals, you'll be able to assess how much money your family would need if you were no longer around to provide for them. Once you've assessed your family's needs, it's time to compare different insurance policies. There are various types of life insurance policies available. Comparing them helps you make an informed decision. First off, we have term life insurance. This is a straightforward policy where you pay premiums for a specific term, usually between 10 to 30 years, and if you pass away during this term, Your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. It's like renting a safety net. The upside is that it's typically the most affordable type of life insurance. However, if you outlive the term, the policy simply ends without any return on the premiums you've paid. Next, we have whole life insurance. As the name implies, it covers you for your whole life. It also has a cash value component that grows over time. Think of it as buying a safety net. It's more expensive than term insurance, but it provides lifetime coverage and can even serve as an investment tool. Then there's universal life insurance, a more flexible version of whole life insurance. It allows you to adjust the premium and death benefit amounts over time. But with flexibility comes complexity, so it may require more active management. Variable life insurance, on the other hand, allows you to invest the cash value component into various investment options. It's like a safety net with a stock market twist. This could potentially increase the value of your policy, but it also comes with investment risks. Lastly, there's final expense insurance designed to cover end-of-life expenses like funeral costs. It's a smaller policy, making it more affordable, but it also means a smaller payout. Each policy type has its unique features, pros, and cons. Term life insurance might be a fit for those seeking affordable coverage for a specific period. Whole life and universal life insurance could be suitable for those looking for lifetime coverage and cash value growth. Variable life insurance might appeal to those comfortable with investment risks, while final expense insurance could be an option for those wanting to cover specific end-of-life expenses. After comparing policies, the next step is to choose a reputable insurance provider. The insurance provider plays a significant role in ensuring that your family's future is secure. When it comes to securing the future of your loved ones, the choice of your insurance provider is critical. You're not just purchasing a policy, but also entering into a long-term commitment with a company that promises to have your back when you need it the most. So, how do you go about choosing a reputable insurance provider? Firstly, consider the financial stability of the insurer. You want a provider who's going to be around for the long haul. Look into their financial ratings from independent agencies like Standard & Poor's or Moody's. These ratings give you a snapshot of the company's financial health and ability to meet its policy obligations. Next, customer service is key. You want an insurer who listens, understands, and responds promptly to your concerns. Check out customer reviews and ratings on platforms like the Better Business Bureau or Consumer Reports. Remember, a policy is only as good as the service that comes with it. Then there's the claims process. In an ideal world, we wouldn't have to make claims, but life is unpredictable. When a claim is necessary, the last thing you want is to be bogged down by a complicated, drawn-out process. So, look for a provider with a straightforward, efficient claims procedure. Also, consider the range of products the insurer offers. A provider with a wide range of policies is likely to have one that fits your family's needs perfectly. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the cost. While it's important to find a policy that offers the coverage you need, it should also fit comfortably within your budget. Compare rates from different providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. In conclusion, choosing a reputable insurance provider involves a careful evaluation of their financial stability, customer service, claims process, product range, and cost. It might seem like a daunting task, but it's worth the effort. Choosing a reputable insurance provider is the final step in securing your family's future. Remember, the right provider is the one that offers the best balance between cost, coverage, and service for your family's unique needs. Securing your family's future with a life insurance policy involves careful planning and consideration. We've journeyed through the maze of life insurance, breaking down its complexities to help you understand it better. We've highlighted the importance of assessing your family's needs, considering factors like current lifestyle, future plans, and unexpected circumstances. Together, we've navigated the sea of insurance policies, comparing their features, benefits, and costs. We've learned that the best policy isn't necessarily the most expensive, but the one that best fits your family's unique needs. We've also emphasized the critical role of choosing a reputable insurance provider, one that offers excellent customer service, flexible payment terms, and a solid financial standing. Remember, the right life insurance policy can provide peace of mind, knowing your loved ones are financially protected. Thank you for joining us at HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more guidance on securing a comfortable life for your family.